Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fixed Windows Defender saying threats found frequently. First method is type File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer options. Click View tab, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply, click OK. Open File Explorer, open C Drive, open Program Data folder. Open Microsoft, open Windows Defender, Scans folder. Open History folder, open Service folder. Delete Detection History folder. Second method is type Event Viewer in Windows search bar, click Event Viewer. Click and expand Applications and Services logs. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand Windows Defender. Select Operational, click Clear Log, click Clear. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.